On the coldest of days, you'll need more than mittens in order to actually use, not to mention feel your hands, whether you're out hunting, skiing, camping, or just running some errands. That's where hand warmers come in. The little packs bring heat where you need it most to make sure fingers stay functional. There are many types of products, from which it is very difficult for you to get a good quality hand warmer. So to help you make a decision, I have done a lot of research, read a lot of reviews, and then came to a conclusion which hand warmer is the best. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So watch the video without wasting any time. Number 1. Zippo Hand Warmer. The Zippo hand warmer has 6 different designs and functions similarly to Zippo's well-known cigarette lighter. It utilizes specially formulated Zippo fuel that burns slowly and without flames, so there is no need to be concerned about setting yourself on fire by accident. Additionally, topping off the fluid is rather simple, thanks to the ingenious refill method. This hand warmer will keep you warm for 12 hours on a full tank, which is fantastic if you happen to be climbing a mountain for the day, or intend to live off the grid for some time. Number 2. Hot Hands Hand Towel. The Hot Hand's ideal for you if you just occasionally require a hand warmer, if you work outside in the winter, or if you want something to keep in an emergency kit. They are affordable, portable, and warm enough to keep your hands at a comfortable temperature outside. At the time of publication, they were readily available at pharmacies, supermarkets, and big box stores for less than 70 cents per pair. Additionally, the business card size warmers are small enough to slide inside a winter glove without hampering everyday duties if you operate with your hands outside, as leisure workers and mail couriers do. In our tests, they reached 118 degrees Fahrenheit and lasted for about 6 hours, which is warm enough and long enough for the majority of outdoor activities. You must open a fresh package for each use because they are disposable and cannot be recharged or used again like our other selections. Number 3. Celestron FireCell Plus Hand Warmer. The company Celestron is known for producing some of the greatest telescopes and binoculars available today. Its user-friendly and adaptable hand warmer is equally outstanding and has a 12-hour continuous heating capacity. Both sides can be heated at once, or just one. Although its aluminum body is durable enough for outdoor use, it is also appropriate for your winter commute, or for sitting in a park and watching children play sports. That's not all, either. It also functions as a flashlight and a portable charger, making it the Swiss Army knife of hand warmers. Most cell phones and MP3 players receive 2 full charges from the 5200 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion battery. USB-powered cameras can also be charged. Number 4. Grabber Hand Warmers. The majority of the finest hand warmers are made to provide heat continuously for several hours, but if all you need is an occasional burst of energizing warmth, the Grabber can be a better choice for you. These single-use air-activated packs deliver quick and rapid heat, starting at a maximum temperature of 156 degrees Fahrenheit, 69 degrees centigrade, and are intended for uses like outdoor sports, hunting, fishing, camping, hiking, running, and dog walking. Simply open the package and expose them to the air to utilize them. Even though the heat intensity will decrease from the initial high level, they may stay warm for up to 6 hours, and do so in less than a minute. The best results will be obtained if you store them in a pocket or glove. Number 5. Hot Snaps Hand Warmers Reusable. Want hand warmers that can be used whenever you need them without having to worry about butane or electricity. This ingenious set of 8 reusable hand warmers is a fantastic remedy. Snapping a silver button causes the hand warmers, which come in square, excellent for pockets, and circular, ideal for palms, designs, to catalyze a chemical reaction and heat up to 130 degrees. The pocket-size hand warmers may last up to an hour after being turned on. The circular hand warmers can last up to 40 minutes. They're so portable that you can easily carry additional with you to change out or share, and it's a fair length of time if you're outside sledding or shoveling the driveway. You may reuse them once again in 15 minutes by just placing them in a pot of hot water at the end of the day, which resets everything. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful.